A switch stack combines multiple switches into a single unit for simplified management and increased reliability. By keeping the firmware updated on the stack, you can maintain a robust and efficient network infrastructure that supports your business's growth and day-to-day activities. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to upgrade the firmware on a Catalyst 1300 switch stack. Next. For this demonstration, I've formed a stack using two Catalyst 1300 24XTS switches. It is important to note that when you first form a stack, all switches must have the same firmware version. Log into your stack. In the Status and Statistics menu of the Switch Web User Interface, the System Summary section will display the stack details. In this example, these two switches are part of the stack. The current active firmware version is 4.1.3.36, which is not the latest version available. On cisco.software.com, I've navigated to the Cisco software download page for the Catalyst 1300 24XTS model. The latest firmware version available is 4.1.4.1. To download the firmware, select the latest version and click the Download button. Once the firmware is downloaded, you can proceed. Navigate to the Administration menu and go to File Management. Select Firmware Operations. Choose the operation type as Upgrade Firmware. There are several options for you to perform the upgrade. I will select the HTTP or HTTPS method for its simplicity. Click Choose File, select the downloaded firmware, and then apply. It will take time to transfer the firmware image file onto the switch. Once the transfer is complete, you'll receive a success notification confirming that the file has been transferred. Now, to confirm that the new image will take effect after rebooting, check the Swap Image option, which shows that the active image version number after reboot will be 4.1.4.1. Navigate to the Reboot menu. Ensure the reboot is set to Immediate and click the Reboot button. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click OK. The switch will take some time to reboot. Once complete, log back into the switch by entering your username and password. Click the Login button. Return to the Status and Statistics menu to verify that the active version is showing the latest firmware. In this example, the stack remains formed on this switch, utilizing ports 23 and 24. To save your updates, click the blinking red icon at the top of the screen. It's as simple as that. Now that you are running the latest firmware on your stack, you may notice improved network performance, faster speeds, or even new capabilities. Check back often for updates to keep your switch stack running at its best. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.